सर मेरा सवाल आपसे है, अभी आपने टाइट स्लैप की बात की तो फटक से जहन में मेरे वो जो कंगना रनावत वाला इंसिडेंट है वो याद आ गया, तो इस पर आपके क्या रिएक्शन है?
देखिए, I do not support or condone any form of violence, verbal or physical.
थैंक यू।
Nikhil and Karan, both of you, what did you see in Laksh that you were convinced that he is the guy? Because we have so many actors today. What was that one thing that you were convinced that he is the one for Kill?
As a filmmaker, I think it's very important for you really to hone your instinct. That's all you really have as a strong missile device, a support system. You have an instinct. There's nothing. Everything I've ever done in my career, right or wrong, any of those have always been born out of an instinct. There have been filmmakers who have walked in, and done like literally a 5 minute like narration, and in 5 minutes I have known whether I will make this film or not. I've just gone on the vibe, and there have been multiple filmmakers where there was Ayan Mukherjee, or it was Shashank Khaitan, it was Shakun Batra, it was it was Raj Mehta, it was Sharan Sharma, it was so many, and I'm mentioning just a few. We've introduced over 25 debut filmmakers and about 7 to 8 lead actors. It's always been on instinct. With Laksh, it was just that. When I saw his audition, it was immediately like in 2 minutes I knew that we are going to do something solid and special with him. There was nothing. I had not seen anything of his on TV. I hadn't seen the show that was immensely liked that he had done. I hadn't seen anything. I literally saw that 2.5 minute audition. And on that 2.5 minute audition, I was like, we have to cast him. And that was it. So it was just an instinct. Yes.
सर मेरा सवाल आपसे है, अभी आपने टाइट स्लैप की बात की तो फटक से जहन में मेरे वो जो कंगना रनावत वाला इंसिडेंट है वो याद आ गया, तो इस पर आपके क्या रिएक्शन है?
देखिए, I do not support or condone any form of violence, verbal or physical.
थैंक यू।
And I endorse exactly what Apurva said. Full respect to the censor board who saw the film as a genre film. There was literally one or two very minor, which weren't even cuts. They were more visual alterations, which we don't want to reveal right now but there was literally no cut. And I think they really respected the fact that the intent was not to glorify, was certainly not to kind of just titillate and shock, but to tell an absolutely volatile, emotional, violent story, that was violent not because of just the blood, but the inherent nature of the characters and the antagonists and where they, how they operate emotionally from, and therefore the retaliation of the protagonist. So it was really very thought through, and I think that, as I said, I walked out completely blown when we got no cut, and so glad that our country can experience this film the way the West already has.